when topics like these come up, there will always be disagreements. Some people think that their artist is missing from the list and should be on the list, and some artists on the list not for the on the list. You understand? This is not an article that I wrote. I came across it and I decided to review it. See, it says the top richest Jamaican artists, and let me give you some perspective before I start the video. It says, let us look at the list below of the top 10 richest artists in Jamaica, and they were rated in 2016 and 2017, so it is kind of current. It says an artist is a person engaged in one or more of any of a broad spectrum of activities related to demonstrating an art. This is a vast term, includes different professionals and dedicated persons about their professions. This includes musicians, rappers, singers. These artists explore their talents in front of the world and become famous. Some of them are famous in a planetary scale, irrespective of their region. It says Jamaica also has an industry with a large number of talented artists who entertain not only Jamaicans but also the world. Jamaican artists are versatile and performs for their nation as well. They are actually promoting their culture and giving a good impression to the world. So at number 10 we have Bounty Killer, the Ground God, the Warlord, the 5-star General. It says Bounty Killer is a Jamaican reggae and dancehall DJ. All music describes him as having been one of the most aggressive dancehall stars of the 90s, a street tough rude boy with an unrepentant flair for gun talk. He is a founder of the dancehall known as the Alliance, and he has a net worth of about 3 million. See? And when we're talking about millions, and we're talking about US. Number 9 is the Girls Sugar, the Doctor, the King of the Dancehall, Beenie Man. Moses Davis, better known by his stage name Beenie Man, is a Grammy Award winning Jamaican reggae dancehall artist. He is referred to as the King of the Dancehall. He owns a net worth of $3.7 million. Buju Banton, Gargamel. Buju Banton is a Jamaican dancehall reggae musician. Banton has recorded pop and dance songs as well as songs dealing with socio-political topics. He released early dancehall but came to prominence with 2 albums, including Mr. Mensch, became the best-selling album in Jamaica upon its release. He also has won a Grammy Award. He is the owner of roughly $4 million in net worth. Maxi Priest, Max Alfred Maxi, known as Maxi Priest, is a British reggae vocalist of Jamaican descent. He is best known for singing reggae music with an R&B influence, otherwise known as reggae fusion, and became one of the first international successes who regularly dabbled in the genre and one of the most successful reggae fusion acts of all time. He has a net worth of $4.6 million. Damian Marley, Robert Nesta Junior Gang Marley is a Jamaican reggae artist, and we're at number 6 now. Damian is the youngest son of reggae legend Bob Marley. Damian's nickname Junior Gang is derived from his father's nickname Tough Gang. Damian has been performing since the age of 13. He has won Grammy Award 3 times. He has a net worth of $6 million. Ziggy Marley. Number 5, it says David Nesta Marley is also known as Ziggy Marley. He's a Jamaican musician and leader of the band Ziggy Marley and the Melody Makers. He is another son of Bob Marley. Ziggy is a famous, versatile and talented artist of Jamaica. He is also the Grammy Award holder 3 times, and he has a net worth of US $10 million. Sean Paul, number 4. Sean Paul Ryan Francis Enriquez is also known simply as Sean Paul. He's a Jamaican recording artist, musician, producer, and actor. Sean is an internationally known and famous artist. He got recognition and fame from his album Dirty Rock, which is one of the largest selling albums in Jamaica. He is a winner of the Grammy and Award and have a net worth of $11 million. Number 3, Jimmy Cliff. Jimmy Cliff Order of Merit is a Jamaican scan reggae musician, multi-instrumentalist, singer and actor. He is the only living musician to hold the Order of Merit, the highest honor that can be granted by the Jamaican government for achievement in the arts and sciences. Jimmy recorded successful and most famous album songs, including Many Rivers to Cross, You Can Get It and The Other Day Come, Reggae Night, and Hakuna Matata. He is well known and famous all across the globe. He has a net worth of approximately 18 million US dollars. Shaggy, Orville Richard Burrell, CD, best known for his stage name. Shaggy is a Jamaican-American fusion singer and DJ. He is best known for his hit singles, Ho Carolina, Bombastic, It Was a. He is said to have taken his stage name from his Shaggy hair. Shaggy is also one of the most selling Jamaican artists. He has a net worth of approximately US $22 million. Number one, no surprise here, even though he's not alive anymore, Robert Nesta Bob Marley. Order of Merit was a Jamaican reggae singer, songwriter, musician, guitarist, and hip-hop artist who achieved international fame and acclaim. He was internationally famous and have a huge fame all across the globe. His two sons are also artists of Jamaica. A whole heap of son him out, so them need to fix this. Bob, when alive, his net worth was estimated at over 130 million, which makes him the richest artist of all time in Jamaica. It says these artists are famous and are identifiable with their country. They rock not only Jamaica but also the world. You understand? These artists are the international recognition and acclaim for their work and also had made money along with fame.
Them a preach and preach, the poor but they go beat and teach. See them so me see, beat and teach. So beat and teach, so beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach.
I mean, so that is the list, peeps. As I said, some people will say, oh, my artist there. And remember, you know, this is not just dancehall artists, but reggae and dancehall. So yes, some artists will be missing. I will be sure to do one specifically about dancehall, because I know some people probably are interested in that. You understand what I say? So it is just another lesson that everybody have a talent. Every single man have a gift that he was given at his birth. You understand? Some people have molded and developed theirs and become wealthy using their talent and their gifts. You understand? So it's just a lesson to the youths that dig deep, man. Do some soul searching, do some reflection, find out what you're good at and invest yourself in it, invest your time in it. Seeing, and the rewards can be extremely great. Seeing, so this is Steve saying, peeps. If you feel like, say, somebody on the list or shouldn't be on the list, chat to me in the comment section. If you feel like, say, somebody who is not on the list that should be on the list, we can talk about it, see me. You understand what I say? I'm out.
Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying, until next time, walk good.